Hey guys, I'm Captain Paul Cross here at Paddletail Waterfront Adventures, and we just wanted to welcome you to the grand opening. This process has been over 3 years in the making. The mission of the build was really to give back to our customers coming here to Crystal River. We wanted them to have the best experience possible. Here at Paddletail, we're not just a building. We like to think of the staff as the key to what makes us successful.
We are so excited about the opening of the Paddletail's Dive Center. This is going to make an enormous impact on the visitor experience when they come to Crystal River.
I mean, of course, we are now the manatee capital of the world officially.
People that maybe have never seen a manatee will get to see one for the first time.
When the visitors come here, they have a great experience. And here at Paddletail, you have kayaking, scalloping, manatee tours, boat rides, everything. It's like one-stop shopping.
That's what drives me, is to give that ultimate experience to the customers coming here to Crystal River. We look forward to you guys coming and checking us out, and thanks for coming to our grand opening.